In every business, effective communication is very important. Nothing is better than communication in person. But due to the current scenario, it is quite difficult to go to the offices. So business are using video conferencing app for communication. But they're not looking for a normal video conferencing app. They're looking for an app with more features like having more participants, sharing of the screen, recording the whole meeting, and many other such features. So in today's video, we'll see how to use Google Meet, how to host, join and schedule a meeting in Google Meet and some cool features of Google Meet on both desktop and mobile. So let's get started with Google Meet on desktop. So there are two ways to open Google Meet on desktop. First, you can directly type meet.google on the URL, or on your Google homepage, you can directly click on Google Apps and select Meet. And once you are on Google Meet page, you will find a few different options, like you can host a meeting by clicking start meeting. By the way, Google has now enabled for all its users to host a meeting. Earlier, only a business Google account has access to host a meeting, and now it is free for everyone to host a meeting up to 100 participants. You can join an existing meeting by entering the meeting code and clicking on the join button. Here you can also schedule a meeting from your Google Calendar. To schedule a meeting, click here and you will see a Google Calendar. You can add the title of the meeting, change the date and time of the meeting, mention the address and description if required. Here you can add guests, and here you can manage guest permissions, like to modify the meeting, invite others and see the guest list. And once you have made the changes, click on the save button. A pop-up will appear saying, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest? Click on send to share the link to your guest via email and they can click that link and join the scheduled meeting. This is how we schedule a meeting on Google Meet. I will dismiss this meeting now and let's jump to the Google Meet homepage to start the meeting. Here you will see a preview screen with two options, join now and present. In the preview screen, you can set yourself before joining the meeting. You can check the positioning of the webcam. You can pre-turn on or off your microphone and video here itself. And if you want to see more options, like you can turn on the captions, you can check your audio and video settings before entering the meeting. And once you're all set, you can join now. A pop-up will appear where you can see the link of your meeting. You can copy the link and share it with your participants, or you can enter the email ID to invite participants. So I will close that, and here I am on the main screen where I can see a few options on the bottom of the screen and few options on the top right of my screen. So let's go through these features one by one, starting with meeting details. If you click meeting details, you can see the link of your meeting, which you can copy and share it across. Then on the center, you can see three options. First is to turn off the microphone, second is to leave the call, and third is to turn off your camera. The next feature is turn on captions. I personally find this feature super cool. For instance, there's a user whose network is weak. He cannot listen or see the speaker clearly. So what he can do is he can just turn on its caption to see what the speaker is saying. So for timing, I'll just turn off the caption. The next feature is present now. This feature enables the user to share its screen. For instance, the entire screen or a specific window or a Chrome tab. So let's click on a window. So these are the windows which are open in my desktop. So I can choose anyone and I can start sharing it, so that other participant can also see what I am sharing it. And next to it, there are three vertical dots for more options. Here you can change the layout of the screen. So there are three layouts which are present in Google Meet. You can choose one from it. In sidebar layout, the speaker will be present here and all the participants will be present here. In spotlight layout, only the speaker will be visible. And in tilt layout, all the participants will be visible. And if you want to change your audio and video setting, you can go to the three vertical dots again and go to settings. Here you can change your audio and video settings. As I have logged in with my personal email ID, I won't be seeing an option here to record meeting. But if you're using a G Suite account, that is a business account, you will see an option to record the meeting. But there's nothing to worry about. You can still record the screen by using a screen and audio recorder. So there are few more options on the top right corner which will go one by one. If we click here, you'll see the participants of the meeting. As I'm only the person in this meeting, you can only see me. By clicking on chat, you can chat with the participants of the meeting. And if you want to add people, you can add it from here also. And next to it, you can see the time and you can see yourself. So that's all. So that's all you have to know to use Google Meet on desktop. Now let's quickly see how to use Google Meet on an Android phone. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Google Meet application in my phone. I'll just open it. So this is how the main screen of Google Meet application looks like in the mobile. In the center, you can see a preview screen where you can set yourself before hosting or joining a new meeting. Below that, you can see two options to turn on or off your audio and video. And below that, you'll find two more options to start meeting and to enter meeting code. If you click on enter meeting code, you can put the meeting code and join an existing meeting. And if you want to start a new meeting, click on new meeting. Once you click new meeting, a pop-up with your meeting link will appear which you can share across your participants. For time being, I'll just cross it and I'll see the main screen. So this is how the main screen looks like. So the meeting is started. You can see only one participant, that is me. And if you want to chat in this meeting, you can click on chat option where you can send text across your participants. And if you still want to invite participant, you can click on the I button on the right hand side and click on share button to share the link of the meeting to the participants. And if you want to see the caption of the meeting, you can tap on the screen and you can just click on the CC option which is on the top right. By clicking there, you can see the caption below. So for time being, I just turn off the caption. And if you want to share something from your mobile, just tap the screen once again and there you will find three dots on the top right where you can click and see few options like you can switch the cameras, turn on captions, present the screen. If you click present the screen, you can start presenting from your screen. Click on start presenting. So that's it. Now you're all set to host, join or schedule a meeting on Google Meet. And if you find this video informative, please do share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks for watching.